Slema. Today's lesson is about the Mawlid, which is the birthday of the Islamic prophet Muhammad. The traditional Tunisian dish for this Islamic holiday is Assidet Zghoghu. Assidet is made of the grains of Aleppo pines. The grains are cleaned and ground in water and sieved to very small sizes. The result is poured hot into a bowl and covered in a white cream made from milk, sugar, eggs, starch, and a bit of orange blossom essence. Then it's decorated with almonds and other seeds and nuts, whole or ground, and small candy. It is also possible to make an asida out of other nuts instead of the Aleppo pines grains, like hazelnuts, chestnuts, pistachios, or others. Traditionally, Tunisians exchange balls of Assidet Zghoghu among neighbors and family members on the Mawlid, thus rendering decoration as important as the taste.